show you how to do a basic trim on a girl's hair using our haircut box instructions that come in our boxes. This video is going to be broken down into 3 separate videos going over each step in the basic cut. You can see in the instructions how I've broken down the haircut into steps, and I'm going to take each video and I'm going to section off these steps. Step 1 says to wet the hair down and part it where they normally part it. Step 2 says stand directly behind the section off the part in the back and comb straight down. So I always like to start right here in the back, and I'm going to take a little section. I'm going to stand directly behind it like the instructions say, comb it straight down. Step 3 says run fingers right by the comb and keep smooth, hold with tension. So that means you're going to put your comb in and you're going to put your fingers right next to the comb and you're going to pull down. Step number 4 says, push head forward. Keep at this angle when cutting all hair behind the ear when cutting the bottom length. So push the head forward just like so. I'm going to put my comb in, put my fingers right behind, hold with tension. Step 5 says, keep left hand touching the back so you can be sure to cut straight down and it can be cut at the same angle. So that means you do not want to cut at this angle. You don't want to pull the hair out. You want to keep your left hand touching the back at all times. Number 6 says, decide length and cut. So now I'm going to combine all the steps that you just learned. I'm going to decide the length that I want, and then I'm going to make my first cut.